The enigmas of the Maya civilization. The Maya civilization is one of the oldest and most mysterious in the world. Originating from a highly intellectual people, the Maya civilization was established within the dense forests of Central America. A culture born of the tropical rainforest. The Maya independently created a magnificent civilization, isolated from the ancient cultures of Asia, Africa, and Europe. Despite living in the Stone Age, they achieved extremely high levels of accomplishment in astronomy, mathematics, agricultural arts, and writing. The rise and development, decline and disappearance of this entire civilization remains profoundly enigmatic. Astronomical precision and the calendar. The Maya civilization was brilliant and glorious, possessing advanced calendar systems. Research into the calendars left behind by the Maya reveals a surprising fact. They employed 3 entirely different methods of dating. The Maya calendar and their astronomical knowledge were incredibly accurate. They divided a year into 18 months, and their estimate for the Earth year was 365.2420 days. Modern calculation is 365.2422 days. A tiny margin of error. Moreover, the difference between their calculated Venus year and the current calculation is only 7 seconds over 50 years. In addition, they calculated a Tzolkin year, a revolution of 260 days, with 13 months and 20 days per month. This Tzolkin planetary cycle cannot be based on any celestial body observable from Earth. Some believe the Tzolkin calendar was developed by Maya ancestors on another planet we have yet to discover. Advanced mathematics and the riddle of Venus. The Maya also developed a base 20 counting system and numerical calculations that could be used for the next 4 million years. Thousands of years ago, in an age without bronze or iron tools, a time of slash and burn agriculture when people on Earth didn't even know the planet was round. Where did the Maya acquire such advanced astronomical and numerical knowledge? Why were the Maya, in that era, studying Venus? In 1952, a stone slab with a human figure carved into it was unearthed from the ruins of a Maya temple. At the time, people thought the carvings depicted ancient Maya mythological tales. After the 1960s, when humanity finally launched spacecraft into orbit, this image was presented to astronauts. They all agreed it depicted an ancient spacecraft. The extraterrestrial hypothesis. Some scientists have speculated that the mysterious Maya people could actually be extraterrestrial visitors, whose homeland was the enigmatic Tzolk Venus. In ancient times, this planet may have had favorable natural conditions, including liquid water essential for life, along with mountains and plains teeming with flora and fauna, and an advanced civilization. However, among the 8 planets in our solar system, none orbits the Sun once every 260 days like this Tzolk Venus. According to modern astronomical calculations, if such a planet existed, it would have to be located between Earth and Venus. This would logically explain why the Maya accurately calculated the Venus year and the Earth year. Similar to how Earth is situated between Mars and Venus, prompting us to conduct in-depth research on both of those planets. In reality, there is no such star between Venus and Earth, only an asteroid belt. This belt is composed of countless meteorites of various sizes. From this, one can speculate that Zor Venus once existed, but it exploded for unknown reasons and vanished from the solar system. This asteroid belt is the remnant after its explosion. The Great Catastrophe and Migration. There could be many reasons for the explosion of Tzolkin. High-tech warfare on the planet, asteroid impact, or other unimaginable causes. But whatever the reason, it was a catastrophe for the planet's inhabitants. Before the explosion, some of the planet's people were preparing to leave their homeworld to preserve the flame of their civilization. They had 2 choices, Earth and Venus. But they also knew the environment on the surface of Venus was extremely harsh, nothing short of hell. Surface temperatures maintained above 400 year-round. An atmospheric pressure 90 times that of Earth, and constant acid rain and lightning. Thus, they had only one choice, Earth. On that day, a group of Tzolkins arrived on Earth in a spaceship and began their new lives. But pioneering in the wilderness of Earth was not easy. Like many civilizations on Earth, this one, too, mysteriously vanished. A final enigma. The Maya left us a legacy of unmatched precision, calendars that predict celestial events with chilling accuracy and mathematics that stretch into the future. All from an era that should have been defined by simple stone tools. Were they truly the inheritors of a cosmic civilization, their knowledge a fleeting gift from a vanished world? Or does the answer lie buried beneath the humid jungle floor, waiting for the one scientist brave enough to look beyond our own history and towards the stars?